everyone, welcome back to Scratch Coding Ninjas. It's going to be about motion blocks. They are blocks which change the direction and move the sprite. For more information, please check out my first video. So, the first one we want to talk about is move 10 steps. So each step is a pixel. So when I click the green flag, this is gonna move 10 steps. Look, like this. Saw that? You saw that cat move? That's how this thing moves for 10 seconds, 10 steps. Now we are into this turn something amount of degrees. So this block just means turn the sprite, change the direction of the sprite. So now let's say we want to make a circle. We would click forever, move say 5 steps, and turn 5 degrees. So now this cat is going to move 5 steps, turn 5 degrees forever. Let's see how this looks like. And yeah, look, the cat is now moving a circle, as you can see here. And now we have more advanced things called goto, or at least as how I call it. They are blocks that tell the sprite to go to a specific position. Like, now we have to explain this thing called X and Y. X and Y just means the X means the horizontal. Like, let's say if I move the sprite here, the X is minus 100, as you can see this line here. And Y just basically means the height from down to up. As you can see here, the scratch cat is 100. So the center, as you can see here, is 0, 0. Sort of like coordinates. So if I want to command this cat to move to the center, all I have to do is click go to X0, Y0. When I click this cat's gonna move there, and then its command is gonna be processed like this. Yeah. Now we have glide. So glide, for example, just means it's sort of like go to, except that you can actually see the cat moving from one spot to another. Let's say I keep this cat on the far corner. So now I click 0, 0. So it's gonna show an animation of the cat going to the center in this case. How long? Let's see. Yeah, 1 second. So now when we look at it, the cat, you saw that cat go to the center and then it's completing its commands. And we have go to random position and glide to random position. Hopefully it's not too complicated. Now when you look at point direction, let's just first keep this straight. Yeah. Now this means that the sprite points in a specific direction. And also keep in mind that for a sprite like this cat, it's not facing, it's the direction is not 0 degrees, it is 90. Just remember that. Sometimes you'll have to figure it out. So point in direction 90. Now let's do that circle command thing that we did earlier. Forever move 5 steps, move 5 degrees. Point in direction 19 and 90 and go to the center, or maybe glide actually. Now let's say the cat is down here and it's facing this because yeah, for some reason. Now it's gonna point in direction 90, then it will glide to this x0 y0 spot and it's gonna make a circle. Watch. So that it pointed in direction 90, then it glided to x0 y0, and then it's making a circle. We have also this thing called mouse pointer. Points towards mouse pointer. So when we do that, let's just delete whatever's in here. Yeah. So forever point towards mouse pointer. So what this good? So now this cat is gonna point towards the mouse pointer. And the 90 degrees to the cat is going to be where the cat is going to point. So now we can make this cat follow the mouse pointer by saying point towards mouse pointer and turn 10 steps. Move 10 steps. So as you can see here, the cat is following us at a consistent speed. We have change X and change Y and bounce on edge. So let's say we have a ball. Let's delete the sprite for a sec. And we have a ball. Now let's say this ball moves at a consistent speed of 15 steps. In fact, clicked. Move. Yeah, we point at direction. Let's say this direction, 120. Move 15 steps, like forever. Now we need to use an if loop because if actually no, we don't need it. So if on edge bounce. So now what's gonna happen is that this is pointing towards direction 120, then it's gonna move forever at a consistent speed of 15 steps. And if on edge, bounce. Now look at this. It's gonna bouncing realistically, I have to say. So yeah, and that's pretty much what motion is. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.